What a beautiful morning. Yeah, let's get May's food. Let's figure out what I'm gonna do for breakfast because I have ran out of cereal. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. All right, so we're getting Lily Bell some good breakfast going here. We've got a big day planned. Okay, let's see. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go hike Snodgrass Mountain, and I believe there may be just a little bit of snow left. It's just now June 1st, but yeah, I'm pretty excited. Some of the wildflowers are starting to peak and start to bloom, so we need to go do Snodgrass Mountain, and then we're gonna go to McGill's, I think. So I Googled where we should go eat like breakfast brunch at. And one of the ones that has really great reviews is McGill's. It's off of Elk Avenue. It's a 4.5 star rating out of 492 reviews. And they also have a small outdoor seating for those traveling with pets, which is me. But this is where we're going first. Obviously, let me get changed. Let's do a quick transition to get ready. All right, 1, 2, 3. Nobody said I was a fashionista, okay? But I'm thinking, since we're gonna be going up in the mountains, I needed at least a flannel to keep warm. And then of course, I've just got the crop top and some shorts. And I don't know if I'm gonna wear my chacos or if I should wear hiking shoes. I feel like I should probably wear hiking boots. Yeah. Benny? Whoa. Come here. Do I smell like sunscreen? All right. I am ready to go hiking. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready and I am super excited because again, I've read some all trail reviews and everything is supposed to just now have started to bloom. And I don't think we have nearly the summer tourists yet as I thought we would have. Okay, so going to McGill's was a complete dud because one, they're not open for dog-friendly business, so they don't have any outside seating, and two, yeah, I had to regroup, but I think I found a good place. So I got bagels at Butte Bagels, and then I got a coffee. Okay, said coffee. I got caramel coffee from this place, literally right in here. It's the girl, they don't do puppy cups because they don't have Cool Whip, which was rude. But yeah, we're sitting in the chair. We're gonna eat the bagel. May's gonna sit here and wait, and then we're gonna go for our hike. Okay, so we are here and we're gonna do the Snodgrass Trailhead. Not all of this, but I guess maybe to like here. Now, this map says that the Snodgrass Trail is only 3.6 miles. I thought it was supposed to be 5, so I'm not sure, but this says meander, Snodgrass Trailhead. Yeah, we'll see. I apologize in advance for the wind. I forgot my microphone, but I just wanted to pop in and say I did download the trail on All Trails, so we're not gonna get lost. But I don't know if it's 3 miles, if it's 5 miles, if it's 8 miles. We're gonna see how this goes. So it says that you can hike this, but it looks like there's a lot of mountain bikers. So we're gonna see how this goes today. And just a while ago, that was pretty embarrassing because I was trying to talk to May before she just went through that area, but of course she just didn't listen. So yeah, that was fun. Into the aspen trees we go. Oh, I love the trees. Do you guys see the bird? That's really pretty. Also, just note, since I'm sharing this trail with you guys, this would be a social trail. That's not what you do. This is clearly the trail, and that's just a social trail, wildlife trail, but that looks more like a social trail because of how wide it is. Of course, this is the way Lily would choose to go. Look at her. She's doing so good up there. All right, we found another trail sign, so who the heck knows if I just add it on or not. I mean, I know where I'm going. I've got all trails going, again, like I said, but I'm just letting May take us on the ride. Look at this girl. That's gotta be nasty. Nanny? Are you warm? Whoa, what? You? Yeah, get cooled off, girl. Do you guys see what I have to go home and sleep with? I just missed it, but she was literally just laying down in that. Nanny! It sure does look pretty dark over there. Just to let you know, I am out of breath. We just went up another really steep section. Here. Here. No, here. And sit. Stay. You know what blows my mind is there's still snow patches. I mean, that's just wild. What do you think about the snow? Look, you got all this snow. Come here. Oh, what do you think? Are you gonna eat it? Oh, Minnie, is it good? Is it good? Look at you eating it, Lily. Eat it. You gonna eat it? Even I get confused sometimes. So we have this trail here, and then we also have this one, which doesn't appear to be a social trail, but looking at all trails, so you can see we're here. If we go that way, it cuts, and then if we go this way, it loops around. So I've been trying my best to, help maintain trails, pack up my trash, the whole L&T principle, and social trails is part of the L&T. So I'm gonna make the loop around because I don't really think it's gonna make that big of a difference on the time and the additional miles, I guess. So we're gonna go with the way All Trails says to go. All right, we're on the other side of that trail that I was talking about, and see how like right in here it's very like not even defined. That's how you could definitely tell that this is more of a social trail, and I don't think the wildlife would make something like that. Now, I'm no expert, but I'm like 99% sure that's a social trail. So I'm glad I followed my instinct and I stayed on path and on trail. We also seen another deer. Well, I think it was a mom and her little doe, which was absolutely beautiful. And we saw some scat. I don't know whose scat it was, but yeah, we saw some scat. Get your head out. May, get your head out of the drain hole. This must be from like a snow melt off. You see it goes right on up. Okay, so we learned our lesson to not go through that way with May, so I'm gonna make her wait. I'm gonna make her go underneath the gate, and then I'm gonna go around. That's what I'm gonna try to get her to do. Come here and sit. May, come sit. Hey, no ma'am. Come here and sit. Sit. All right, well, you stay. Stay. May, stay. Come down. That's a good girl. All right, our last view before we get back to the car, and just look at this. The horses are out there just grazing. Hold on. Look. We've got a group over here. And we got a group right here. All right, this is the last obstacle, and she's really good at this one. All right, you go down and then you wait for Mom. May, come here. Hold. Hold on. Hold it. Some might say this is the best view of the whole trail. Get it? It's going back to your car. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out May and I. And if you like this immersive, come on a hike style with me. Let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to make this a weekly thing to bring you along more often. Otherwise, we cannot wait to see you all next Wednesday for another adventure. Until then, take care and have a great rest of your week.